Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I want to start by acknowledging that my accent might not be the typical Jamaican Caribbean accent you might expect. Growing up in the West, my voice may sound a bit different, but I believe that my words and observations are still valuable and worth your time. So I kindly ask you to lend me your ears as I share my thoughts on the current YouTube dramas. First and foremost, let's remember that YouTube dramas affect the entire community regardless of our background or accents. The issues and controversies that rise within this platform are something we can all relate to regardless of where we come from. In the midst of the drama, it is essential to approach the situation with open mind and consider multiple perspectives. We each bring a unique viewpoint, shaped by our own experience and backgrounds. Let us make every effort to listen to one another, even if our accents may differ, as the diversity of thoughts and opinions is what makes community vibrant and dynamic. As a content creator, I believe that every voice matters. Our contribution to the dialogue can shed light on different angles, bring fresh insights, and promote understanding. It is through these conversations that we can collectively learn and grow, both as individuals and as a community. So today I'm going to address an important topic that affects us all: the need for a more positive and respectful online environment. YouTube has become a powerful platform where we can share thoughts, experience, and connect with others. However, it is crucial that we navigate the space with care and consideration. Let us value respectful communication. As we engage in the discussion and debates, let us remember that each person is entitled to their own opinion. However, this should be tempered with respect. Let us try and develop a culture of open-mindedness where different viewpoints are met with respect and constructive dialogue. Behind every screen name is a real person with their own unique experience, perspectives, and emotions. Let us take time to listen and understand and empathize with one another, even when disagreements arise. It is through empathy that we can build bridges and common grounds. Language and tone hold immense power. We must be mindful of our choice of words, for they can uplift or harm. Personal attack, offensive language, and derogatory remarks have no place in our community. Instead, let us offer constructive criticism with kindness and consideration. By doing so, we can create an environment where individuals feel valued and respected. There is a crucial message that weighs heavily upon me: a call to end the war amongst ourselves. As people, we find ourselves engaging, tearing each other down, harboring envy towards the achievement of others. It is essential that we acknowledge that the profound impact of slavery and self-hate, which has left deep scars upon our collective psyche. For too long, we have internalized the negative narratives imposed upon us by the world. We have allowed these toxic messages to seep into our consciousness, causing us to turn against one another. It is crucial to recognize that this division was a weapon that was used during slavery to keep us powerless and fragmented. And it is evident in the way we are treating each other on social media. I'm asking my fellow Jamaicans to rise above the divisive cycle. We must do better. We must set better examples for our children. We must eradicate the self-hate that has festered within our hearts and put an end to the animosity we hold towards each other. Let us try and stand united, celebrating our shared heritage and embracing the beauty of our diversity. It is through unity we can reclaim our power and heal the wounds of the past and forge a brighter future for generations to come. We have to take the opportunity to break free from the chains of division and foster a society built on love and respect and solidarity. Together we must dismantle the harmful narratives that have plagued us for centuries. We can defy the stereotype and rise among the limitations placed upon us. It starts with each of us as individuals committed to unlearning the negative conditioning we've endured. We shouldn't be passing this on to our children. By uplifting one another, supporting each other's endeavours, and celebrating our collective achievement, we can rewrite the narratives of our people. Let us create a legacy of unity, empowerment, and self-love. By doing so, we will pave the way for a brighter future and a more harmonious Jamaican community on YouTube. So to all my fellow Jamaican YouTube community or Caribbean community, those in Jamaica and those in the diaspora, let's remember the power we hold within ourselves. Together we can break the chains of division and heal the wounds inflicted upon us. We must stand tall, united, and committed to creating a society where self-hate and hatred towards other people have no such place. So thank you for listening to me today, and may our journey towards healing and unity begin today.